Changing out the EGR valve on the Chrysler 300, as you can see here. And it's the old one. Got the new one right here. It's a little bit more of a challenge. You're gonna need you some of these 1/4 ratchets, some extensions, and it's actually gonna be right off in this area back here. So you're gonna have to lift up the intake manifold slightly. Most people like to take this off. I got it out with a little bit of persuasion through this area. So remember to hit us up right here, Diagnostic Alternative Belts More. And we also have this pipe. You can see here, it's kind of beat up. So we're gonna remove this stuff here, put the new grommet on there. Remember, mobile mechanic.